As I'm proposing tomorrow to my bridesmaids. We are going to New York tomorrow. I'm taking my friends on a little girls trip to do some wedding dress shopping. I'm going to propose to them once they get to their hotel room. I've been so excited to do this and I cannot wait for them to open it. So help me finish them up. For their boxes, I got them on Amazon. Paper shreds underneath this to elevate it. And then I got these silk pillowcases off of Amazon as well. So this one is for my sister and she's my maid of honor. So it says, Emily, will you be my maid of honor? A bottle of Vouv, my favorite champagne. And then I framed pictures of us and then on the back a note. Super cute hydro jugs with their names engraved on them. I love Skims right now, so I got them these pink lounge sets, these Joe Malone peony and blush candles. Of course, we're gonna do some makeup. I got them these cream makeup bags that say their names on it. Here will be some of my favorite YSL makeup products: Lash Latex liquid blush, Candy Glaze in shade 44, and little mini perfumes. And then we have the Rhode under eye patches. These are some of my favorites right now. So we have the Hydro Jug champagne candle, picture frame, skin set. And I also have some baby's breath and greenery finished. They turned out so cute, but they love them. Okay, I just got to the room, so now I'm putting them on their beds for when they walk in. Here's Ariana. Let's go get them.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh my God, I do.
You do?